Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a quick get ready with me. I did have a friend ask if I could do a get ready in 5 minutes. This probably isn't going to be about 5 minutes. It might be about 10 minutes just because I am going to do an eye look. But I will get around to doing that 5-minute look because I know that it can be done and I know that it was requested. First thing I'm going to do is start with my eyes. Today I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetic Desert Oasis eyeshadow and highlighter palette. It has some beautiful colors in there, stuff that we can definitely do a neutral look with. It's got the highlighters over here, the eyeshadows, a couple mattes, some shiny, shimmery colors. So the first thing we need to do before we start our eyes is put on an eyeshadow primer. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance 24-Hour Anti-Crease Eyeshadow Primer. This is my go-to. I've been using it for quite some time. I've tried a couple other eyeshadow primers. This one, it holds up, and I'll be wearing my makeup at work for about 16 plus hours, and I don't have any issues with my eye makeup creasing or falling off my face. Now, I have been asked if I always do my eyes first or if I do my foundation and then my eyes. It honestly just depends. I've never used this palette before, so I don't know if it's going to fall out. But if I do my foundation prior, I make sure to put my setting powder down first. I'll do my eyes and then I'll sweep away the setting powder. That way, whatever fallout I did have, which I've had recently with some of the eyeshadows I've tried, it kind of sweeps away with the setting powder and then it's not stuck into my cheek. Now let me zoom you in and we can get started on this look. So to start out, I want to use a matte color to lay down and just kind of set the eyeshadow primer that I put. So we're going to use this color right here, Sand. I'm going to place that all over my lid. It gives us a good base.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down.
I am using a big fluffy crease brush from Morphe. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Canyon into my crease.
These walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you want to travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away.
Next, I'm going to be going in with the color Dune. I'm going to place that on the outer corner as well as into the crease, just to give it some more depth. Now I'm going to take a smaller crease brush from Morphe. I'm going to use this color right here, Nightscape.
I fell where my demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my styling. Where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown.
Now I'm going to go in with this color Terrain. I'm going to pop that in the inner corner of this eye right here.
Breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made us out. Oh, wait. I'm tired of the pain.
That color went on so much better with my finger. Now with my fluffy crease brush, I'm going to go back in with the color Canyon. and just sweep it into the crease to kind of blend all those colors together. Now before I do my under eye, I do want to go in, do my foundation, my concealer, and then I'll go in and do the under eye for this look. So for primer on the face, I'm going to use the Tarte Poreless Mattifying Primer. Now with the area where I actually have the biggest pores, I will tap it in just because I want them to disappear the most. And I actually continue mine down onto my neck just because I do bring my foundation down there just to blend and I don't get that harsh line around here. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way. This is in the color Vanilla. I'm super fair right now, and this one seems to be working. It's a new foundation for me. And I'm going to be using the It Cosmetics Superstar Flawless Foundation Brush. I actually put the foundation straight onto the brush.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you want to travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away.
Now for concealer, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral. I'm just going to place that underneath my eye. I'm going to use my Beauty Blender. I've already dampened it. For contour, I'm going to be using the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. I'm going to use the Sephora number 97 Pro Contour Sweep. It's kind of a dense brush, but it gives me that line that I need. I already have a little bit of definition. I just want to kind of bring it out.
I fell where my demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell, oh well.
Now I'm going to use the Kat Von D Lock-It Brightening Powder in the color Petal. I'm going to use this as a setting powder. I'm going to put it where I put my concealer, as well as up in my forehead and my chin where my T-zone is. And then whatever's left on the Beauty Blender, I'm going to disperse that on my face.
Climbing and climbing, I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the...
So now I'm going to go back in with the eyeshadow palette and do the under eye just to kind of bring it all together. I don't want to do anything too overpowering. For the under eye, I am going to use a small Morphe brush. For under the eye, I'm just going to use the color Dune. I'm going to sweep it all the way over.
I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time starts down, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound.
And then on the outer part, I'm going to use the color Nightscape right here.
I'm tired of the pain. Go away.
Now on the inner corner of the eye, I am going to put this color Mineral. Just pop it right there. you wanted to, just to kind of define your brow bone, you could put in a shimmery color, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put in this color right here, Quartz. I'm just going to dust it right underneath the brow bone to give it a little bit of definition. It's not as shiny as Mineral, but it does have that pink undertone. Now for the waterline, I'm going to use Doucce Cosmetics Ultra Precision Eyeliner. It's just the color black.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home.
So I can never seem to do liquid eyeliner on camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go do that off camera, but I am going to be using the Kat Von D ink liner in Trooper Black. And I'll be right back. Now that I've got my eyeliner done, I'm going to go ahead and do my blush. I'm going to be using the Lancome Blush Subtil Shimmer in Blushing Tresor. This is one of my favorite colors. It's got some love.
Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired.
I'm gonna go ahead and do my bronzer before I do my highlighter. And for bronzer, I'm gonna be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I love this bronzer. It has such a beachy smell. And right now, because it's getting into fall and winter, it just, I don't know, there's something about it. It reminds me of being at the beach. And the nice thing about this bronzer is it's not super overpowering. So even if you're the fairest of colors, you can get a little bit of color without looking ridiculous. And it's just so smooth. Alright, for a highlighter, we're going back into our Desert Oasis palette. And I am going to use this color right here. I'm going to use this color Mirage. I'm just going to pop that on the cheeks. I'm going to put a little above the eyebrows. I'm going to call it a day for highlighter. That is a really nice highlighter. It's nice and smooth. It's got a little bit of a gold undertone. Even being as fair as I am right now for winter, it adds a little bit of a gold sheen, but it's not too overpowering. Now that I've got all the powders done, what is it? Bronzer, blush, highlighter, contour. Now I can go in, I can do my mascara. I didn't want to do my mascara first and then have all that fall onto it and then just it undoes everything. It just kind of looks weird. So now I'm going to go in and do my mascara. I'm going to use the Lancome Monsieur Big. This is a great mascara. I've got thick eyelashes as it is, but they just make them full. They don't make them stiff. They're still a little bit fluffy. And of course, before you put mascara on, you might want to curl them for a second. You see this brush? That is awesome. There are so many little fibers on here to get your eyelashes. Time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my back. Now for the lip, I'm gonna go in and use the MAC Cosmetics Pro Longwear Lip Pencil in the color In Control. This, I've outlined my lips. I will actually fill my entire lip in with this and then just put a gloss topper on and be out the door. I'm good to go, which is what I'm gonna do today because I just wanna keep it neutral but a little bit glossy. But it doesn't mean I lost my style. Where were you So for a lip topper, I'm going to use the Becca Liquid Crystal Lip Topper Glow Gloss in the color Rose Quartz Seashell. This color is, I'm so glad I picked it up when they had it at Sephora. I think they still do. I know they've introduced some more colors. I think this was one of my first ones because it is a neutral gloss. Do you see that sheen? Okay, and then our last step to make it stay, I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. I love this setting spray. My makeup stays where it's supposed to. It doesn't slip off my face, doesn't rub off. I actually have 3 other bottles of this just for when I run out because I use it every single day, and I'll use it as a refresher. And I use a lot of it because I want my makeup to stay. I need to invest in a fan. Well guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe down below. Make sure to hit that bell icon for notifications of new videos because I post Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And then if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so that I know that you like it. And then if you have any comments or suggestions, please leave those down below. If there's anything that you want to see, leave those down there as well. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.